Good morning, guys. How are you? I am doing very well. Last time when I saw you, I was in a birthday vacation with my friends, and I would like to thank everyone who wished me a happy birthday. And yeah, it was a lovely weekend. I enjoyed, guys. That place is very nice, and I couldn't capture everything because I wanted to be in the moment also. So some of the things I just said, I'm just letting it go. But the place is nice and I can go again, except that the gravel will deal with me, because you know resorts are out of town, are out of the villages. They are just somewhere in the bushes. So yeah, it was a nice place, and thank you very much for subscribing to this channel. We are growing steadily, so, and we cruising nicely. So guys, I need to go and take my parcel. I bought a perfume from Miss Malaika. She has a YouTube channel, Life with Miss Malaika. Yeah, I bought a perfume there. She is selling those ones from the Perfume Co. Africa, if I'm not pronouncing things very well or putting the words the way they are, I'm so sorry, but the Perfume company is trending on TikTok also. So I am just gonna go and get my parcel. I bought one, it's a 200 ml, and I like the service, guys. Yo, I just paid, sent proof of payment on the details. It's coming from Pexi Korea. Sent the detail, guys, within 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes of me sending the proof of payment. Then I got SMS from Pexi that the parcel is on my way. Like, I was so soon, the speed, within a wink of an eye. I am loving it, and I can recommend you guys. They are fast. So it has arrived, and we used that service. Yeah, cheap. Yeah, 60 rand. It was sent on the 1st of September, and it arrived on the 9th. What time is it? Today, I'm not even sure. But yesterday, yeah, it arrived yesterday at 9. So I am loving it. Sent quickly. What happened during the traveling of the parcel, it's not their problem, but it was sent so quickly. So I'm just gonna go there and take it at the pep that I directed it to be delivered to, and let's enjoy the video, guys. I will show you. And I ordered men's fragrances because I do love the men's section. Guys, I don't know, everything that I do these days, I go to the men's section. Clothes, when I go to Pick and Pay, mostly, you know, the tracksuit that I bought, they were men's section. And now perfumes, but I do love men's section since I tried perfumes. So yeah, I will share with you. I will tell you how it smells, but I think it smells so nice. And thank you, Miss Malaika. Thank you, Miss Malaika, for delivering the thing quickly. Guys, I've collected my package, and I'm gonna open it this side in the car, because at home I arrive lata. I arrive at I want a parcel date the one, and then I arrive gadi 9. I still say those people service is very fast. So wow. Oh my god. So let's see and smell it. It has this message: thanks for the support. Thank you for supporting my small business. Yeah, let's try to support each other. I'm gonna need a scissor, and I don't even have in this car, but I'll try. Okay. Yeah, they do really protect it. Very protective. This is the packaging. I do love. Okay, and we are arriving at the final so this is 50 mil. I keep on confusing the millimeters. This is 50 mil for 200 rand, and I also paid 6 rand for Korea. It smells so nice. It is giving liguzumela type of a situation. It's giving liguzumela with those golf shirts. I love it. I don't know the name of the smell, but I love it. Thank you, Miss Malaika, for delivering this thing. And I didn't choose this, they chose it for me, but I love it. I love it. Jesus. That was like I'm bathing with it. This is my lunch hour, so I'm going back to the office, and this I'm gonna throw away. Thank you for the service also. Guys, along my shoppings, I bought this thing. It's an air freshener. This, I saw it in my friend's car when we were traveling to that vacation. So I was like, this is beautiful, misty air freshener, and I'm gonna put it in my car. The car was smelling nice, but hers was a yellow container, so I opted for this one, Crystal Beats Bargidi fresh linen fragrance. But then I was like taken away by the smell. The car smells nice, so I'm just gonna put it in the car the following morning. So I was just inspired by my friend. And this is 19 rands, 19 rand something. Let me say, this is 20 rands. So yeah, other people put stay soft, the refill stay soft at the back there. Then I'm gonna put this one. It smells so nice, guys. It smells so nice. Guys, I bought these mixed vegetables from Food Lovers Market. It was 29. Then I just thought I should have this because I'm trying to take down the intake of my food. I mean, portion. I'm trying to eat smaller portions, and I wanted to have veggies with rice and meat, and that's what I had. This I cooked in the morning together when I was doing laundry, and from there I went to the bank. I'm doing a society that I am a treasurer in, and we had to go to withdraw some money. So when I come back, I cooked rice and meat. So it was a lazy day. And you know, when I'm lazy, my things are going like, if it's meat, I'll fry. If it's vegetables, I'll just boil. And the rice, normally we do boil. Then the only thing that made me work a lot was the gravy, because I needed to chop some onions and I needed to chop some tomatoes, then keep on stir frying them so that they do not burn. So amongst these spices, there was paprika inside and ginger spice, and yeah, to just give it a flavor. So this one was acting as salt also, the vegetable spices. So it was nice, everybody loved it. And yeah, I hope you're still good. And this is just a comeback video because I can see my energy is very low and I am not feeling very well since I came back from the trip. So yeah, I will be back properly. I didn't want to break my consistency, but in this August, time has moved and I am like, I cannot make it to do all those videos that I am supposed to do, which is how many videos I'm supposed to do. 2 4 6 8 9 videos, and this is the second one. So I won't even manage. So stay tuned and do subscribe, like and comment to this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we are good to go, guys. I will see you in the other videos that are coming. I hope I gain some strength and courage so that I can come back to my consistency.